but also in charge of oneself. So the proverb is, Tao is within self, which is the drive of all one's abilities. A physical body without Tao is useless. This is the treasure that we should all realize and fully explore. I am fully enlightened.
三以心传心口传心手，以老之心传于众生之真心，此者老的分灵之心也。
See. The third treasure, the symbolic seal 1. In his family and go to the remote mountains to seek a man you made. This has happened before in some religions.